Hello everyone, this is going to be my first Free Fire video, my first YouTube video of any kind, of any sort. Today I'm starting off on the lobby. I'm not always going to be doing this, just because I'm on a Samsung Galaxy S9. And on a Samsung Galaxy S9, there's an option where you can just record off the screen, you don't have to download any apps. But the only thing is, I don't know how to, I don't know if I can just, pause the video and play it again. I don't think I can. So, just this once, I'm going to be recording the lobby. And, yeah, we're just going to play a game right now. We're playing, we're not playing ranked right now. So, yeah. If the internet is bad, I am in Uruguay right now. I'm not in Utah anymore. Until, well, actually I'm leaving tomorrow morning at 4 o'clock here, so, and I'll be there at Friday, 2 o'clock-ish, around there. But yeah, let's just enjoy the gameplay. And you can, on the Samsung Galaxy S9, you can record up to 80 minutes, even more if you lower the resolution. So if you guys want to try this out for yourself, you can do mic, you can do open, or you don't even need a mic, and you can hear from your phone speaker. I'm gonna turn down the volume a little bit because I feel like it's too loud for you guys, and maybe for me a little bit too. So I don't think anybody's coming. It doesn't show on my little, if you look at the map, you see a little circle around me. It doesn't show that anybody's coming to where I am coming. Cannot see my little drop yet. Actually, I think I just saw a glimpse of it right there. Yep, it's right there. See that yellow thing? Let's go ahead and run to that real quick, and we should get some decent things. The best I've ever got from these is probably actually, yeah, that is the best thing I could have possibly gotten from that, except for the gun. The FAMAS is not my favorite gun, not at all. So yeah, we're not playing ranked today. I am gold 3, however, it's pretty hard after a while. I will be playing a lot though, don't worry. I'll be playing a lot of ranked. I'm gold 3, like I just barely said, and I'm about to go up to, I don't remember what was after gold 3. I think it was oh god, I forgot. I'm sorry for those who love the FAMAS, or famous, whatever it's called, I don't even know. I just don't like it that much, because I always think it's like a rapid fire weapon. I always think I have a rapid fire weapon of some sort. And so then I hold it, not knowing, forgetting that it was just a 3-bullet weapon that shoots 3 bullets, just a burst. And so I just tap it, I just hold it, and it basically just shoots 3, and then I end up dying because of that. Even though I'm playing casual, it could still be hard sometimes when you think you're holding an automatic weapon. So I don't think that anybody landed where I landed. I don't see anybody. If I get a little quiet, it's just because I'm not used to talking this much in my gameplay. This is my first gameplay as well. I think I see somebody. No. This is my first gameplay also. But also because I can't, oh, I did see somebody. Okay, he's hurt. For sure. Gotta get a shotgun out. Maybe to finish the job. I see him. I got him. I'm pretty sure that guy was a real player, just because he was using strategies. I don't want to use a med kit on that little bit of health. So I'm probably gonna look for like a mushroom around here or something. I think we're good on ammo. I think I don't have to worry about ammo anymore. But I do need to worry about getting to the zone. Actually, I think I'm fine. But that's your first kill. Not my favorite shotgun, but I mean, it's a shotgun, so I'll take whatever shotgun I can get. Anyways, what I was saying is I can't like pause the videos, so I kind of have to be talking the whole entire time, which I think I'm doing a good job at right now. But if I get a little bit quiet, it's because I don't find anything to say. And if then I start talking about my personal life and I start crying on camera, then I'm very sorry. Just kidding. I probably won't talk about my personal life. Probably never know. You probably never know with me. Okay, there's a little bit of lag there. I don't like that. We are in the circle. I'm gonna get out as soon as possible because I do not like having a car when I'm in the circle, just because it's really loud, like very, very loud. See, we got shotgun ammo. Usually, oh yeah, I knew it. I was gonna say, usually a lot of people land here. Okay, kind of hid behind the house. I'm gonna run across with my shotgun. Oh, I heard him. Don't worry, I saw him. Oh shit. Very surprised I killed that guy. I'm sorry I was so quiet. I was very concentrated. I am very surprised I killed that guy. Holy cow. That is better. Got much ammo. Okay. Oof. Let's keep going. As I was saying, what I was saying, usually there's a lot of people here. So, sorry, I thought I heard somebody. Usually there's a lot of people here. And as soon as I said that, I saw him, and I was like, oh shoot, gotta kill him. He probably landed here because of this right here. I'm not gonna get the just because I like the class that I like, the layout that I have right now. So I think I'm just gonna stay with this. Remember, I've been playing this for a while. So as you play, it gradually gets harder and harder. So, yeah. Don't know where I got shot from. Like, at all. Because I didn't look for my map for some very random reason. I think I just saw somebody walk into that window. If we stay here and be patient, we're in the circle. If we stay here and be patient, we could see him pass by us just right here. Or go past there. So I think where we are is a pretty good place, except back there is not so covered. Whatever. I'm just gonna stay like this for a little bit. I don't want to be in this little crack right here because you can still see me through there and probably shoot me from there. I thought I saw somebody going from that little red hut right there inside the little barn. Probably not, but where is this guy at? I don't know. I have a feeling we should... Is that somebody over there? There's a car, I think, there. Or is that a person? Okay, I'm gonna start running that way. Because I'm getting some... a little mushroom. That's good. I knew it. It was the best ones you could get. But I got some red signal over here. What, did these things turn red? Okay, I'm sorry guys, but I've never seen that. Like, I've never seen one of those. Just because I haven't played in the past 3 days. I'm confused. Oh shoot, that scared me. I thought those were footsteps for a second, so I was like freaking out. Okay, somebody took it, but at least we got something that could help us. And yes, guys, I saw that guy. Okay. I didn't see him, but I saw him on the map. So he could have been up here. Okay, not up here. Oh, I see him. He definitely saw me. Definitely saw me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, is he still there? No, he's moving. Okay, I don't think he notices I'm here. Don't see him anymore either. Oh, I see him. He's still hiding behind the rock. He has to come over here anyways. He's gonna go to the craze and he... Can I shoot him from here? It really seems like a lot of these people are real. Because they're usually bots. Oh, there he is. Either that's him or there's somebody else. I got him. And yes, I did see that guy that was shooting somewhere back here. Oh. Another kill. Hurry, run. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm kind of sad I couldn't get any other loot. But that's okay. That's fine. I just wish I could get my favorite shotgun. It's kind of like the one that's like smaller. It doesn't really have like a stock. But it's still my favorite. Because it has a lot of spread. Oh, I'm getting a headache. But that's alright. I don't care. I can deal with it. Until this video's over. My first video too. I don't know if I'm doing good or not. Probably not, because it's my first video. Oh shoot. Oh gosh. I did not even notice there was 2 people left. Okay, well. There was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave like whatever you thought of the video in the comments. And please also subscribe. This is my first video, but whatever. Subscribe. Please. Let's open our little thing right here. We got 5 gold. Beautiful. I love it. Wow. Let's go ahead and claim all these things. Maybe be able to... Let's see, let's go to events. Looks like we got some stuff here. Got 500 gold. Got... Wow, that's sexy. Sorry, if you hear that, that is my sister in the background. I'm very, very, very sorry. It hurts my heart that you guys are hearing this right now. Anyways, we got a free one, and I think we can open like 3 more after that. So let's go ahead and open that. Spin another one. Spin another one. I already have that. And then spin one more after that. Wow. Wow, just wow. By the way, I do have the full set of this guy right here. And I have... I'll show you all the characters I have, actually. Let's go to characters. I have all of these. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you do play Free Fire, you have these too. Just because Caroline and Andrew, I both got like from like the daily stuff or whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah.